Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring two things. Your Xbox Live account is active and you can access your battle. Net account. Sign into Xbox on the console or Xbox. Then open battle. Net on desktop or the mobile app. Once done, verify the battle. Net region matches where you play because mismatched regions block linking. Now, go to your battle. Net account settings and select the Connections tab. This is where you will initiate the Xbox link. Keep both devices logged in so you can confirm prompts quickly. You now perform the core linking, navigate to battle. Net account settings and choose Connections, then pick Xbox. Battle. Net will display an authorization code and prompt you to sign into Xbox Live if needed, on your Xbox console or at Xbox. Enter that code exactly and approve the requested permissions. This grants battle. Net access to your Xbox identity. Make sure to accept all permission requests because declining will prevent progress. If a console prompt appears, confirm immediately to avoid code expiry and repeat attempts. Finish by returning to battle. Net connections and verifying the Xbox icon shows linked. This confirms the accounts are associated. Next, launch Overwatch 2, sign in with battle. Net and check that progress, cosmetics, and purchases appear. If something is missing, restart the game and console, then confirm battle. Net region and that two-factor authentication isn't blocking sign-in. If linking fails, unlink on battle. Net, wait a few minutes and then relink. This reset clears most authorization glitches and resolves token conflicts. Try again after a short wait.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.